Hi.
Hi.
Seher, we want to know that which character you loved playing, Meher or Seher?
I love both, yeah. How can I be biased towards, like one was the mother, one is the daughter. It's blood relation. I love both.
Okay. Seher is more like a calm and poised. So your character is also the same way, your real natural character.
Yeah. I think with the 16-year generation leap, of course, we grow as individuals, whether it is in terms of the way we talk, the way we speak. There's a certain finesse that comes, which was not in the case of Meher because, Meher came from a village and her her upbringing was comparatively more rural, I would say. So, yeah, that is true.
Okay. How much you and Rajveer come along? Like,
Oh, we get along very well. And it's been like that since day one. The first time I met him was for the mock shoot, and when I saw him, the way he was behaving, and the way we were doing the mock shoot, it reminded me of me because he's 2 years younger than me, so he's 24. So I also started when I was 24. So that eagerness to learn is something that I really, really admire about him. I feel that I could see a glimpse of me when I came first.
okay. Regarding the shoots and all, how punctual you are?
How punctual am I? See, I'll tell you one thing. My punctuality is such that if I leave at a certain time, say I leave at 10, so you will see me after 12 hours on set. But of course, when you start working every day, there are always like 10 minute ऊपर नीचे, that's fine. And plus, Bombay traffic is very bad, guys. So, but otherwise, I'm very punctual. My
Okay.
EP should listen to this. He'll be like, झूठ है ये. हाँ.
Okay. You are here from like 2 years more than that, right?
May 19, I started shooting. July 1st, we went on floor. I was very bad at math, but yes, more than two.
Okay, so what have you learned, like pros and cons from this?
Everything.
Like, for example,
Pros and cons of what?
pros and cons of like good habits, bad habits,
Yeah, but
adapted
like,
something.
so you mean to say what are the positives and the
Yeah.
negatives that I've taken from the place? A lot. I think I have seen myself be the highest in the sense, whether it is emotionally, whether it is, as a person, whether it is as an actor in terms of my craft, whether it is professionally. I've seen everything happening over here. Even when I had to take a break from my work for 40 days and I wasn't keeping too well, coping with that, coping living without family. So I feel like I've learned a lot over here. And I'm very, very grateful for this place because it has given me an insight onto the real world.
Okay. We wanted to know, are you a party person or a like stay home and
Stay home, dude. I used to love partying in college, but now I think I've become very old school. I love sitting at home, even when I can step out. I'd much rather, pour myself a glass of wine, have good food at home, set up candles and everything, and sit by myself. But I think it's a task to go out now.
okay, are you like a very much career oriented girl or
Yeah.
you give more time to your family and friends?
Okay, so this is a misconception. I'm sorry, but like just because someone's career oriented doesn't
Yeah,
mean
right.
that you don't give priority to your family. And I am very career oriented, and I've always been like that. But at the same time, I feel that in terms of my upbringing or my roots, um, I I even like eventually in the future I want to have a family of my own, or whether it's my parents, I make sure to squeeze in as much time as I can to see them. Yeah.
Regarding this industry, would you like to continue in shows and serials or would you like to jump to the Bollywood industry as well?
See, I'll tell you one thing. We all have plans, right? We all have plans. But someone very rightly told me that what you can see is only this much, but the one sitting on top can see the larger picture. So, of course, one has ambitions of, working in projects that are good writing wise, good projects, in the sense projects that can leave a mark. I just know that I want to do the kind of work that when I die, I want to leave a good trail of work behind for people to remember me by. That's it. So the medium is very irrespective, but I think it's the quality of work that matters the most. Yeah.
Okay, so coming back to Choti Sardani, are you loving your attire right now, or you were expecting something else?
No, 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 no. I was expecting this only. There were no expectations as such. But yes, I like this particular attire that I'm wearing because also we are celebrating Diwali. So I think it is a nice fusion mix of dhoti and the kurta. So and plus, it gives good Punjabi feels. Yeah.
Okay, will you just give a gist to your upcoming updates of Choti Sardani?
We all know that Kulwant Kaur is back. We all know that Harshdeep and Kulwant Kaur are not getting along. तो I think उन दोनों की जो ये जुगलबंदी है वो देखने में बहुत मज़ा आएगा. There is love in the air. Rajveer and Seher finally, have realized their feelings for each other. It's only in time कि वो एक दूसरे को बोल दें. I mean, हम भी as characters wait करें कि अब तो बोल दो. So I think that is the fun element, and yeah, I guess the audiences are going to have a good treat to watch.
Okay, so last thing, what do you want to say to your fans?
Well, I want to say to my fans that firstly, I hope you all had a great Diwali. I hope you all are keeping safe. I hope you did not burst too many crackers and spread pollution. Please, take care of yourselves. We are still in times which are not normal, and it's very important to keep yourself mentally and physically well. So invest in yourself and stay hit. Stay healthy and stay fit.
Okay, so are you keeping up with Big Boss?
No, I don't have the time to. Not at all. Not this season. I haven't really been able to watch, to be very honest. So if you tell me, oh, what do you think about this participant, and what if I don't even remember? Like I don't even know. So this season, as of now, I'm not updated because I'm busy shooting my own show.
Still, any favorite participants you wanna?
My only favorite is Salman Khan. That's it. Salubai is the best. Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.